If your Apple AirPods Pro make a horrible hissing noise, then this isn't a fix, but it's a way that will get you some relief and you can still listen to your music without the hissing. Check this out. If I put these in now, you will hopefully hear the huge hiss. So I'm just putting my ear up to the microphone. It's very loud, but now all I have to do, and this side's crackling. So the left-hand side has more of a crackle, the right-hand side has a hiss. If I was to turn off transparency or noise cancellation, then it completely goes. So right now, I'm putting my ear up to the microphone again, and you can't hear anything. But if I put on noise cancellation, it will also happen, but not quite as bad. So that's the hiss there, and also that side there. Transparency is the worst. But when I go to off, there's no hiss whatsoever. So yes, you've lost the transparency and you've lost the noise cancellation, but at least if you have them off, you haven't got that horrible hiss and you can actually still use them until you get them fixed or replaced. Thanks for watching.